Questions for Teddy Bear, Teddy Bear. Question 26. The caption under the first photograph in the selection explains F, where the photograph was taken, G, why the photograph was taken, H, the age of the photograph, J, who is in the photograph. Be sure to go back and show your thinking. 27. The author wrote the selection most likely to A, describe what a teddy bear looks like, B, encourage the reader to buy a teddy bear, C, inform the reader about the history of teddy bears, D, tell the reader about a president who liked teddy bears. Question 28. In 28, what does the word craze mean in paragraph 3? F, purpose, G, popularity, H, changes, or J, materials. Question 29. The reader can tell from this selection that nurses may use teddy bears to A, encourage children to stay in bed when they are sick, B, keep children busy while they are waiting to see the doctor, C, give children a toy to play with when they stay in a hospital, D, provide a fun way to teach children about health and medicine. Question 30. What does paragraph 1 help the reader understand about the first teddy bear? F, how big the first teddy bear was. G, how the first teddy bear got its name. H, how much the first teddy bear cost. Or J, how long it took to sew the first teddy bear. Question 31. Read the diagram below. Cause, effect. The effect, horse farm workers cared for Breeze. Which sentence best completes the diagram? A, Breeze lived in a national park. B, Breeze grew strong and healthy. C, Breeze was separated from his mother. D, Breeze cuddled next to Buttons. Question 32. What is the best summary of the section titled Popular Toys? F, many toy companies started making teddy bears. Everyone wanted their teddy bear. Children everywhere held their teddy bears while sleeping. They also enjoyed having their picture taken with their toy bears and reading to their teddy bears. G, everyone loved the teddy bears. They were so popular that the other toy companies started making their own teddy bears. While they were wanted by everyone, children were especially fond of the teddy bears. Parents often bought teddy bears for their children. H, at one time, everyone wanted to have a teddy bear. Children played with them. Soon writers were writing songs and stories about them. Children enjoyed reading the books about teddy bears. They also sang songs about the teddy bears. J, teddy bears quickly became a popular toy, and several toy companies started making their own teddy bears. Children wanted to play and snuggle with the bears. Songs and stories were written about the bears. Soon, they were seen on all sorts of items, including books and clothing. Question 33. In paragraph 1, the word honor means to A, copy, B, help, C, make fun of, D, show respect to. 34. Details in the selection support the idea that teddy bears, F, help animals more than they help children, G, are still loved by children today, H, are no longer the subject of books, J, have become less useful over time. Be sure you show all of your work.